Hello, Spartanburg 2 families. This week has been like none other in our district's history and our nation's history. And that's the reason why we can't just celebrate one difference maker this week, but we have to celebrate many. Because that is exactly what it has taken. It has taken many pulling together to meet the challenges that we currently face. Our teachers and instructional coaches have been implementing creative assignments and online learning plans for our students. Our students are working hard to make sure they continue their education. Parents, grandparents have all adapted to make sure our kids are safe and taken care of while schools are closed. Many local businesses have graciously extended offers to do whatever is needed to help. Our friends at the fire department and law enforcement are working hard to assist us in any way that is needed. Inside our schools, difference makers are answering phones, sanitizing classrooms, working with our technology, preparing and delivering meals, and much more. These unprecedented times have facilitated unprecedented unity. Thankfully, we live in a community where the natural beauty is matched by the inner beauty of each and every one of you. Thank you for being a D2 difference maker.